Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make happy birthday Insta story and post it on the Insta story. So what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Play Store and download app name is Canva. So write Canva here, type Canva here and search for it. So you will see this app. Now you have to download it in your mobile and then open it. So install it and open it like this. Now click on it and you will see like this. So now if you are using first time your canvas, you have to log in or sign up in the Canva by using your email ID. So it is very easy. Now you have to go here and write Insta story, type Insta story. Now you will find many templates here like this. Now you have to find an happy birthday template. So I'm going to use this template. Now you have to click on that and it will ready for edit. You have to wait for few seconds. Now you have to replace these images with your friend's image or family members image. So how to replace it? First of all, you have to upload your image. So what you have to do is just click on plus icon and go into uploads. So when you go into uploads, as I have already uploaded many images, but you have to click on upload media. When you click on upload media, you have to click on here and go into your gallery. So go into your gallery. Now choose any image. As I want to choose this image, so now it will upload here. So like this, and now what you have to do is click on it and click on any image. So like I'm going to click on this image. Now click on delete and now click on this image and click on delete. Now click on plus icon and upload, and now you have to click on the image which you want to add like this. So now I have like this, you can upload it. Adjust it. Now I'm going to add another image, this one here. You can increase the size or decrease the size from here. So after adjusting this image, now what you have to do is just click on this image and delete it. So now click on plus icon, go again uploads and select any one of them. So like this, I want to select this one. Like this. So now what you have to do is, if you are ready to download it, just click on this and you will download it. So like this, you can make a happy birthday Insta story for your friend's birthday or your family members birthday. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.